Hi, welcome back to my channel, A Way to Knowledge. And today we will learn about Europe. Europe is the sixth largest continent in the world. It is situated west to Asia. The continents which are connected by Europe are Asia and Africa. Sorry, only Asia. Long time ago, Europe was not a continent. It was inside Eurasia. The seas and oceans which surrounds Europe are the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the west, and the Mediterranean Sea in the south. Europe is highly fascinated. So now let's learn the countries of Europe, and we will also say their capitals. So let's start. Albania, capital Tirana. Andorra, capital Andorra la Vella. Armenia. Armenia is in Europe and also in Asia. Armenia, capital Yerevan. Austria, capital Vienna. Azerbaijan, capital Baku. Remember, I have told Azerbaijan in the continent of Asia. It means that Azerbaijan is in Europe and also in Asia. Belarus, capital Minsk. Belgium, capital Brussels. Bosnia and Herzegovina, capital Sarajevo. Bulgaria, capital Sofia. Croatia, capital Zagreb. Cyprus, capital Nicosia. Let me ask you a question. What is the short name of Czech Republic? Yes, it's Czechia. Capital Prague. Denmark, capital Copenhagen. Estonia, capital Tallinn. Finland, capital Helsinki. Let me ask you a question. Which is the country in which the Eiffel Tower is located? Yes, it's France. Capital Paris. Georgia, capital Tbilisi. Remember that I have told Georgia in Asia also. It means Georgia is in Europe and also in Asia. Germany, capital Berlin. Greece, capital Athens. Hungary, capital Budapest. Iceland, capital Reykjavik. Ireland, its full name is Republic of Ireland, capital Dublin. Italy, capital Rome. Kazakhstan, capital Astana. Remember that I have told Kazakhstan in Asia. Now you will be thinking that the whole Kazakhstan was in Asia and it is also in Europe. No, the whole Kazakhstan is not in Europe. Only a little part of Far East is in Kazakhstan. Latvia, capital Riga. Liechtenstein, capital Vaduz. Lithuania, capital Vilnius. Luxembourg, capital Luxembourg City. Macedonia, capital Skopje. Malta, capital Valletta. Moldova, capital Chisinau. Monaco, capital Monaco. Do you know Monaco is the second smallest country in the world? So which is the smallest country in the world? Watch at the end. I will tell that also. Netherlands, capital Amsterdam. Let me ask you a question. Which is the developed country in the world? Sorry, which is the most developed country in the world? Yes, it's Norway. Capital Oslo. Poland. capital Warsaw. Portugal, capital Lisbon. Romania, capital Bucharest. Let me ask you a question. Which is the largest country in the world? It's very simple. Yes, it's Russia. Capital Moscow. The whole Russia is not in Europe. The little eastern part is in Europe. The little western part is in Europe, and the larger eastern part is in Asia. Moscow is in Europe. San Marino. Capital San Marino. Slovenia. Capital Ljubljana. Slovakia. Capital Bratislava. Let me ask you a question. What is the new name of Yugoslavia? Yes, it's Serbia. Capital Belgrade. Spain. Capital Madrid. Sweden. Capital Stockholm. Switzerland. Capital Bern. Ukraine. Capital Kyiv. United Kingdom. Capital London. United Kingdom is known as a group of countries, or sometimes it is also known as a country. When it is known as a group of countries, it has 4 countries in it, or provinces. So let's learn the 4 countries or provinces. England. Capital London. Big Ben is located inside England. Northern Ireland. Capital Belfast. Scotland. Capital Edinburgh. And last, Wales. Capital Cardiff. So now let's learn more countries after United Kingdom. And let me ask you a question. Which is the smallest country in the world? Remember, I have told it when I was telling the country of Monaco. What is it? Tell fast. Yes, it's Vatican City. Capital Vatican City. Vatican City is a observer state. It is known as a country, but it's actually a observer state. Turkey. Capital Ankara. Turkey's little western part is in Europe, and the rest is in Asia. Ankara is in Asia. So we have learned the countries of Europe. Now, please like and subscribe. We need this for making more videos. Thank you. Away to knowledge.